I joined as a member when I first became a physiotherapist as a way to network with others who had similar interests in respiratory disease, and I got hooked, and so over 25 years later I'm still involved.
When you connect with a larger community than simply the profession that you're going to be part of, I believe that gives you a broader perspective of what the opportunities might be in your own field.
There's lots of benefits to being part of ORCS. For example, the ability to apply for research grants and for fellowships has been very helpful for my career. So when I was doing my graduate work, I was able to apply for fellowships for my master's and for my PhD. I've probably had over 20 projects funded by Ontario Lung Association. There are very few sources of funding for lung research, and Ontario Lung Association, ORCS, and Canadian Lung Association are the main sources of funding for respiratory disease. So we really need them.
I haven't missed one of these conferences in over 20 years, and every single year that I'm there, there's something new that I learn.
It covers many aspects of lung health, almost all the aspects. There's large lectures and small workshops and posters and opportunities to chat with the presenters.
The opportunity to speak to other healthcare professionals. As a respiratory therapist, respiratory care is our focus, but there are physiotherapists, nurses, we've had pharmacists, we've had a chaplain once that was part of the ORCS as well too. So I believe any of those other disciplines which have an interest in respiratory care, we all can benefit from each other because we all bring something unique to the table.
As I say to many of my colleagues, the cost of not becoming a member is far greater than the cost of becoming. It is a $40 membership, the collaboration, the networking, the opportunities to learn and to grow. Students can certainly benefit from an ORCS membership. First and foremost, they don't have to pay for that membership. It is given to them just for the ask while they are a student, and they start to build that early in their career.
Being a member of the ORCS and then volunteering within the ORCS and getting funded by the ORCS, all of those things contribute to what gets put on your curriculum vitae, for example. And because of that, people who look at your CV who are hiring or maybe considering for funding from larger organizations will see this and see that you have this track record of success.